everybody. Today is the day. No Frownie Brownies from the Pink Bakery. As you know, it's minority owned. It's a lovely thing. We're gonna get it going tonight.
No Frownie Brownie is gluten-free, non-GMO, and fair trade. No Frownie Brownie doesn't contain any eggs, no finfish, no milk, nor peanuts. You also won't see any shellfish, no soy, no tree nuts, nor any wheat.
Back. The ingredients, check it out. The ingredients are in there. About to use KitchenAid. Don't get to use this too often. It's all good. This bad boy on nice and slow. Alright. Alright. Look at that, man. Alright. The sun's taking over this part of it.
The chocolate that's left over after.
I'll tell you what, you can have that as a treat, okay?
.5 out of 10.
Woo! 8.5 out of 10. That's solid. That's a thumbs up. Rob, thumbs up or thumbs down? 2 thumbs up from Rob.
Double thumbs up.
And my
even
baby,
with my toe.
2 thumbs up and a toe. Well, there you go. The No Frownie Brownie is a hit in the James household. We'll catch you next time on the Urban Retrospect.
Only on YouTube. Like, hit that subscribe button, and that bell for further notifications.